Today I decided to make some chicken, tossed in a very spicy sour cream sauce. Let's go.
She let that thing go. Ooh yeah. Yeah, drop it low to the floor, to the floor. She a pro, like she poppin', let it go.
First thing I'm gonna do is wash my chicken and pat it dry. Then on a cookie sheet, I'm gonna put down a layer of aluminum foil and a tray. We're doing this so the chicken doesn't touch the bottom and burn. It'll let all the juices flow onto the tray. Then after this, you're gonna put olive oil on each chicken and rub it in. Because you're touching chicken, don't forget, salmonella is real, so wash your hands. After you do that, go ahead and salt and pepper each piece of chicken. Then you flip and wash your hands again. And continue, salt and pepper on the other side. You're gonna put this in your oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 425. And while this is happening, you can go ahead and make your sauce. So we're gonna use sour cream and some more sour cream because it's delicious. Ground cayenne pepper. Then I use chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, ground mustard powder, smoked paprika, and sriracha, and some more sriracha. Then you mix it all up. This is gonna be what you're gonna toss the chicken in, so go ahead and taste test it.
Well, today you got a nigga. I'ma dash to your door, baby girl, I wait deliver. Rearrange them guts, you gon' feel it.
Remove the chicken after the internals are about 185 degrees.
Mess around and I'ma buy your ass a house. Mess around and I can make up on my couch.
After this is set for about 10 minutes, you're gonna add your chicken to your sauce and mix it all together. Try to coat as evenly as possible. Now you can use your hands, but just know that sauce is gonna get in your fingers, then you rub your eye, and that's just not a good day for anybody. Look at that. Amazing looking. Now this came out blazing. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe.
She like that thing go.